This is going to be a short video just showing me driving up a blazed trail to a campsite that I rented on Hip Camp. This is in New Hampshire near the White Mountains, and it's about a mile and a half up, I believe. So it's that mile and a half elevation gain, and the recommendation is to have four-wheel drive, which is what I'm using. To be honest, I don't think I would hesitate trying to get a front-wheel drive car up this trail. It's not too bad. I mean, if it was really wet and muddy, then yeah, I would probably turn around, but it wasn't too bad. It did get a bit narrow in some parts. I think if you had like a really heavy camper with all the weight to the back, some climbs would be a little bit sketchy, but I don't know. I don't really have experience with that. That's just my intuition. That was a really cool looking, like, hollow path. I guess it goes to another campsite. But yeah, right there is the cabin at the top. I think this is the steepest climb right here at the end. It doesn't look too bad on camera, but yeah, so there's a bunch of area to park, so you could have a bunch of people here. There's some benches up there to the left. Here's the cabin. To the right was the outhouse. And there's the campfire pit, bench, and the White Mountains there in the distance. So it's a nice spot, but unfortunately, this place was swarming with gnats. And I mean, like, they just spawned, a whole colony just spawned as soon as I got there. And you can see it here. They're just swarming the front of my car. And once you went outside, they just attacked you, flying into your face, into your eyes. You would need one of those bug net hats or something, goggles. Yeah, they were just all over the place. Wherever you go, they would follow. I'd assume that once you started a fire, the smoke would kind of ward them off. But being out there just sucked. Just opening the doors would let in like a dozen, and then I'd have to try to force them out somehow. But yeah, unfortunately, something came up and I had to leave early. But next time I'm in New Hampshire, I'm definitely going to stop there again, stay the night. It was such a beautiful spot. The GoPro doesn't do it justice, really. I didn't get much other footage because once I got there, I explored a bit. Then I was trying to set up my solar panel. I got annoyed with the gnats, and I just chilled in my car doing some research about something, and I didn't think to take out my camera and go outside yet. I was planning on doing it in the morning, really, for sunrise, to get the best shots. But yeah, something came up and I ended up having to leave. So this video is also just me testing out a new mic setup. I want to do more commentary like this. I know I haven't posted a video in a while. I've been very busy with work. But yeah, my adventures are constrained to Saturdays and Sundays, obviously, with a full-time job. So I'm thinking of recording more commentary and using some B-roll or other footage that I didn't end up using in videos, and just talking about topics I'm interested in. I'm not totally sure yet, but you can expect that in the future. So that's it for this one. Thanks for watching.